Hello there, welcome to We Are Chef channel, where we explore new and exciting recipes from around the world. Today we are taking our taste buds on a culinary adventure with a delicious and flavorful dish, stir-fried potato with pancetta. This classic recipe combines thinly sliced potato with savory pancetta, garlic, and soy sauce to make a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for any occasion. It's quick, easy to make, and packed with bold flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. So grab your wok and let's get cooking. Bacon and pancettas are very similar, but what is the difference between them? Bacon is typically smoked and sliced thin, while pancetta is air-cooled and often cut into cubes or small strips. Bacon is saltier and smokier, while pancetta has a more delicate, porky flavor. Both are used in various dishes, but bacon is more commonly associated with breakfast foods, while pancetta is commonly used in Italian cuisine. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce and sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Set aside. In a wok or pot over medium-high heat, heat the vegetable oil until hot. Add pancetta and stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until crispy. Add the garlic and stir-fry for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the potato and stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes until they are cooked through and lightly brown. Pour the soy sauce mixture over the potatoes and stir-fry for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is well distributed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with spring onions and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious stir-fried potato with pancetta. This dish is great as a side dish or can be served as a main course with rice. And there you have it, a delicious and flavorful stir-fried potato with pancetta recipe that's sure to impress. This classic dish is perfect as a side or main course. It's easy to make in just a few simple steps. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and have fun cooking along with me. Don't forget to subscribe to We Are Chef channel for more exciting recipes from around the world. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.